What's up guys, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing something super exciting I've been wanting to do for a long time, and that is putting a clear rinse on my hair. I apologize in advance if you hear my daughter in the background. Nap time didn't really work out with me doing this. So, okay, first things first, this is what I'm using. A lot of people have used the Adore version of this, but I'm using this called Jazzing Clairol brand, Professional. I got it from Sally's just because I couldn't find the Adore from the other store, but it should be pretty much the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, so let me get it all braided and banded real quick, and then I'll wash my hair and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I am still using the Melanin Hair Care shampoo. Actually, I've used quite a bit of this. It's really good, and I've also started adding a little bit of oil to my scalp before I wash. Do you remember pre-poos from back in the day? Well, I've been doing that. I have got a serious dandruff problem, and I don't really know what's going on with that, but this has seemed to help just a little bit with my dandruff problem, but I'm not really sure. I've been talking to my loctician about ways that I could try to help with my dandruff problem, but so far I haven't been able to fully solve it. All right, so what I do is I take this Melanin Hair Care and I dilute it with some water. I've used quite a bit of it already, so I just go ahead and put some in my bottle like that, and then I add some water to it. And the cool thing about this is it actually has quite a bit of slip, and it really does pretty well inside of the applicator bottle. I got these applicator bottles on Amazon. I actually use them for the condiments in my house. If you're interested, I'll put the link in the description below. I put like our ketchup and mustard and all that, and ranch and all that in here too, but it works perfect for this because the hole is just big enough. So I just do like that with the Melanin Hair Care shampoo and go ahead and mix it with the water. I need to add a slight bit more of the shampoo in here because I put too much water. Do that. So yeah, now it's a little bit darker. All right, so that's awesome. All right, so per the instructions, I need to start this on clean hair that's towel dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo my hair. All right guys, so I'm all done shampooing my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and get this all rinsed out of my scalp and everything, and I will be back to apply the semi-permanent color. Okay guys, so my hair is all freshly washed and I toweled it dry. So I'm taking it out of the bands that I had it in, which I know kind of defeats the purpose of braiding and banding, but I wanted it to at least be braided up while I was like scrubbing my scalp so that it wouldn't get too crazy, even though I'm gonna have to rinse out this stuff with my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and it says to do it in sections, so I'm gonna section my hair off. And since I don't have that much hair, so I'm not gonna section it off into too many pieces. I think it'll be fine if I just do like 4. So I'm just gonna do this half right here, and I'll use this to do that. This is actually, I made this. This is a scrunchie that I made, but I make them really narrow with very strong elastic so that you could just pull your locks back in them. So if you're interested, you can find this on my Etsy shop that's linked below. And then here's the other half of my hair. So I'm just gonna separate this into 2 different pieces like so. The back here. It's just in a little ponytail here. Of course, I wasn't prepared enough to remember to get clips. So, all right, so let's get started. This first impressions is that it actually doesn't smell bad. It smells pretty good. I don't have any gloves left, so I'm not gonna be using gloves. So it didn't say that I had to. I probably should, but anyway, I don't have any gloves, so I'm not gonna be putting gloves on there. And it says for temporary color or refresher, do 5 to 10 minutes without heat and rinse and shampoo. So I'm gonna do 10 minutes without heat because I don't have any heat source to be able to put on my hair. All right, so let's go. realized I forgot to put some skin protectant on. So I'm gonna stop real quick and put some skin protectant on my face. I'm just using some Great Value petroleum jelly. All right, so getting back into it, let's go to the next section and put it on the next section. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more over here on this first section. Make sure it's good and saturated. I mean, I feel like since it's clear, it's kind of hard to tell if it's like fully saturated or not, since it's like not a color. But anyway, I'm just gonna twist this up together. Trying to work quickly here. I can hear it and feel it on my hair, so. Honestly, on this side over here, I think I'm just gonna like do it on the whole side. Like my hair is just really not that dense, and so I don't think it'll be a problem to actually get it on all the strands just by going ahead and just putting it on this whole section as a whole. So I'm gonna do that, save myself a little bit of time. As worried about getting it on the bottoms because you know, the point of this is just to be able to get like a glossier look to my locks. I feel like my hair is a dull hair color, and because of that, I just have, even when I was a loose natural, I always wanted to do something to add some like shine to my hair without changing, like dyeing it or anything like that. So just like to give it some gloss to it. And so I'm hoping that this might be a solution to that, and that it'll make my hair a little bit shinier without making it a different color than it is. So I don't know, we shall see. This is the back. I'm really getting it saturated. I'm gonna use the whole bottle, the whole dang bottle. So this one bottle I think was more than enough for my hair. Honestly, at this point, I'm just adding it on here just cause, but my hair feels like extremely saturated with the product. Like I could have just done like half of the product for sure. So I don't feel like it's, you know, that I would have needed two. If your hair is a lot thicker than mine, you might want to buy two just in case. This was like $7 and some change, so it wasn't that expensive. And I put a similar one that I've seen people using called Adore, and it comes in like 20 something colors. So they have reds and purples and all kinds of, but this that I got is clear. All right guys, I'm gonna set my timer for 10 minutes and wash my hands. So it's been about 10 minutes and this is what my hair is looking like right now. It actually doesn't smell as good as I thought it did at first. So I'm about to go and wash this out of my hair, and I think it'll be better. I'm gonna show you guys when it's wet, but I think it'll be better to do a comparison when it's actually dry, like my original picture, to see if it actually gave my locks any shine or not. So let's go rinse this out. Okay, so I just got done and I got a bunch of water in my ears, so I'm getting that out. But I was really happy initially with how it turned out, but I just wanted to make sure that it was gonna be kind of how I wanted it to be as it dries. So I'm gonna hop back on actual video in just a minute, but this is just a quick look at what it looked like wet right after rinsing the rinse out, and you can already tell that it's shinier. Really, I mean, I guess I wouldn't say shinier, but it just looked like it was darker. And in the pictures that I posted on Instagram, like a few days after this, people could really tell that I had done something. It looked fuller and it looked like a little bit darker. I will say though that the slippage was freaking crazy on the sides and on the nape of my hair, so I did regret that. Okay guys, so my hair is mostly dry now. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look at it. I definitely feel like it got shinier. I think it looks really good. This is towards like the back. Even my husband noticed the difference, so that's that. So I think it looks cool. Like, I mean, for $7, I think that it gave good enough results. If I want to do something professional in the future, then I definitely will. But my goal was to keep my same hair color, but for my hair to look less dull in color, and I think I made that happen. So there's this side, kind of at the top a little bit, and then I'll throw in some pictures for you guys of the back, of what the back ended up looking like. So yeah, these are my results with a clear rinse on my hair. And I think that, you know, maybe if I had like, you know, straight up loose natural hair, you would tell more of a difference, but I could definitely tell a difference. I don't know if it's coming across on camera, but I can. And so I'm really happy with the results. So if you want to try it, I mean, for $5 to $7, why not? And I feel like it gave my locks a lot of nice shine and sheen on them that it didn't have before. Gave some of that luster to them back. And so yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. So let me know if you tried in the comments below. If you're in the Locs So Fine Facebook group, post a picture of it so we can see your before and after results. And thanks for watching my video. Bye.